everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. It looks clever. Now let's create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In our new slide we need to create four rectangle, but the important thing is that we need to create them in the same size. How we create them? We create two rectangles at first, then click one of them, align it in the center, in the middle. Now select all of them by Ctrl A, go to shape format, and then make them fragment. Now your rectangles are ready. You can copy them and have the rectangle you want. Okay, it's good. Now we need to create this circle shape. How we can create it? It's easy. We need to add a circle like this with one of this rectangle. We cut them, add a new slide, paste them. Now we select both of them, go to align, align them center, align them middle, align it middle. Okay, now everything is ready. All we need to do, we need to align this to here. Now we select them and make them fragment. We delete the unneeded fragment. Now select these two, go to shape one and make them onion. Now everything is ready. We copy that, paste it here. Okay, we delete these four shapes. We copy that, paste it here, and paste it here. Okay, now select all of them. What we need to do, we need to group them and then rotate them. What I need, let's group them and group them. Then we rotate it and rotate, then ungroup them, ungroup them. Everything is now select them. It's easy. After selecting them, we need to color them up. But before that, we need to create some shadows. We format this object. We go to fill, and from the shadows, we choose the right shadow, and then bring this to front. Then this two thing, left shadow, and bring to front. Then select all of them, go to color, set the shape outline to none. Then we need to color them up. For example, I'm going to color it this color, this color, this color, and this blue. Okay, it's good. Now we need to copy the text. The text is just easy text. Here, now copy this slide. Now bring everything out 2 by 2. Okay. Now we change its color to the gradient fill, text color to the gradient fill, and choose this combination for the color. You see, let me copy that, paste it here. Now we delete this and copy the text and paste it here. Now we set the transition to morph, and everything is ready, as pretty as it possible. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, like and subscribe and tell me in the comments.